Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Anna and I am so happy you are here. In this video, we will focus on one goal: how to speak better English by learning everyday vocabulary. Today's video is special because it is full of useful English words that you might not find in textbooks. I have combined a few of my videos to bring you one massive vocabulary lesson that focuses on words related to everyday life. We will cover more than 300 vocabulary words, most of them being common nouns. These are the words that native English speakers use all the time in daily conversations. However, many English learners do not learn them unless they live in an English-speaking country. These words are simple, practical, and can help you speak better English right away. Let's begin by looking at bathroom vocabulary. When we wake up in the morning, many of us go to the bathroom first. So, let's start with common objects you will find in the bathroom. First, we have the toilet. The toilet is where you go when you need to use the restroom. Next to the toilet, there is usually a toilet paper roll. This is what you use after you use the toilet. Next, we have the sink. The sink is where you wash your hands and face. Above the sink, there is often a mirror. You can look at your face in the mirror. On the sink, you may find soap. Soap helps to clean your hands. You may also find a toothbrush and toothpaste. We use a toothbrush to clean our teeth, and toothpaste is the cream we put on the brush. In the bathroom, there might also be a shower or a bathtub. A shower is where you stand to wash your body. A bathtub is a large container you sit in to take a bath. You might use shampoo to wash your hair and conditioner to make your hair soft. A towel is used to dry your body after the shower or bath. You might also have a hairdryer to dry your hair and a comb or brush to style it. Now let's move to bedroom vocabulary. The bedroom is where we sleep and rest. In the bedroom, the most important piece of furniture is the bed. A bed has a mattress, which is the soft part we lie on. There is also a pillow to rest your head and a blanket or duvet to keep you warm. Bed sheets cover the mattress and keep it clean. Beside the bed, there might be a nightstand or bedside table. On the nightstand, you might have a lamp, which gives light at night. You might also keep an alarm clock on it. The alarm clock helps you wake up in the morning. Some people keep books or phones on their nightstand too. In the bedroom, there is usually a wardrobe or closet where you hang your clothes. Inside the closet, you may find hangers. Hangers help to keep clothes neat. You might also have a dresser with drawers for folded clothes. A mirror is sometimes placed above the dresser. There can be a rug on the floor, curtains on the window, and maybe even a chair in the corner. All of these items are part of bedroom vocabulary. Let's now go to the kitchen. The kitchen is where we prepare and cook food. It is a very important room in the house. Let's look at some common kitchen words. First, we have the refrigerator. It is also called a fridge. The fridge keeps food cold. Inside the fridge, you can store milk, eggs, cheese, vegetables, and fruits. Next, we have the freezer. The freezer keeps food frozen. It is colder than the fridge. Then there is the stove. The stove is used to cook food. It has burners on top where you can place pots and pans. An oven is used for baking. You can bake cakes, cookies, or roast chicken in the oven. The microwave is another appliance in the kitchen. It helps to heat food quickly. A toaster is used to toast bread. A kettle is used to boil water for tea or coffee. A blender is used to make smoothies or soup. Now let's look at some utensils. These are tools we use to eat or cook food. We use a spoon to eat soup or rice. We use a fork to pick up food and a knife to cut food. Plates are used to hold food when we eat. Bowls are used for soup or cereal. Glasses and cups are used for drinking. You might drink juice in a glass and tea in a cup. There are also kitchen tools like a cutting board to chop vegetables, a peeler to peel potatoes, and a grater to grate cheese. We use a whisk to mix eggs, a spatula to flip pancakes, and tongs to hold hot food. These are all very useful kitchen items. Let's move on to the garden. Not every home has a garden, but if you do, these words are helpful. In the garden, you may find grass. Grass covers the ground. There might be flowers like roses, tulips, and sunflowers. There may be trees and bushes. You might have a hose to water the plants. A watering can is another tool to give water to flowers. A rake is used to gather leaves. A shovel is used to dig holes. A lawnmower is a machine that cuts grass. Some people plant vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and lettuce in their garden. Others may grow herbs like mint, basil, or parsley. You might also have a bench in the garden to sit and relax. Sometimes there is a swing or even a small fountain. These are all things you might find in a garden. Next, let's talk about tools. Tools are items we use to fix or build things. A hammer is used to hit nails. A screwdriver is used to turn screws. A wrench is used to turn bolts. Pliers are used to hold or pull things. A drill is used to make holes. A saw is used to cut wood. A tape measure is used to measure length. A level is used to check if something is straight. A toolbox is where you keep all your tools. These words are helpful when you are doing repairs or building things in your home. Now that we have learned many new words, let's talk about how you can use them. When you learn new words, try to use them in your daily life. If you are brushing your teeth, say, I am using my toothbrush and toothpaste. When you are in the kitchen, say, I am putting the milk in the fridge, or I am using the spoon to eat my soup. The more you speak these words, the easier they will become. Try to look around your home and name everything you see. This will help you remember the words and use them naturally. Practice is the key to speaking better English. Let's do a short review now. In the bathroom, we have words like toilet, sink, mirror, soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, shower, shampoo, towel, and hairdryer. In the bedroom, we have bed, pillow, blanket, nightstand, lamp, wardrobe, closet, dresser, and alarm clock. In the kitchen, we have refrigerator, freezer, stove, oven, microwave, toaster, kettle, blender, spoon, fork, knife, plate, bowl, cup, glass, cutting board, and whisk. In the garden, we have grass, flowers, trees, hose, watering can, rake, shovel, lawnmower, bench, and swing. For tools, we have hammer, screwdriver, wrench, pliers, drill, saw, tape measure, and toolbox. I hope this video has helped you learn many new English words that you can use in your everyday life. Remember, these are words native speakers use every day, and now you can use them too. Don't worry if you forget a few words. Just keep practicing and you will remember more each time. Watch this video again if you want to review the words. Pause the video and repeat the words out loud. This will help you remember them better. You can also write them down and make flashcards to study. The more you hear, speak, and see these words, the faster you will learn. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am proud of you for learning and working hard. You are doing great. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. That way, you will never miss a new lesson. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.